Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, in this video I'm going to complete this whole look. If you guys are new here, I'm Sagun Shrestha and I post about makeup, skincare hauls and many more. If you want to stick around, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and join the family. So now, without further ado, let's get on into the video.
For the primer, I'm using Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. It is one of my favorite primer because it erases your pores instantly and gives you that smooth canvas to work on. So after that, today I'm using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. I'm in the shade 01 Creamy Vanilla. This is my first time using this, so I have a review and I'm just checking on one side if it actually works. I really like the coverage. Now I'll just finish my second side off camera. I'll just lightly set my face, and today I'm using LA Girl Pro Face HD High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. मेरो shade चाहिँ GPP 601 Fair हो. मलाई चाहिँ मम्मीले स्नैक्स लिएर आइदिनु भयो, so I'll do my makeup and eat it at the same time. So अब चाहिँ म eyebrows बनाउँछु, and today I'm using this Kaquiya 2-in-1 eyebrow plus eyeliner. अनि यसमा चाहिँ you get actually 5 different products. So the first one is this brown eyebrow powder, and तल चाहिँ यसमा brown eyebrow pomade पनि छ, and यस्तै गरी black eyebrow powder र black eyeliner gel पनि छ. मैले चाहिँ pencil powder अनि pomade use गरेर eyebrow कसरी बनाउने भनेर separate video पनि हालिसकेको छु. So please watch that. I'll link that in the eye above. अब चाहिँ म eyeshadow लगाउँछु, and I'm using this Revolution Sophie palette. First of all, I'm using this yellow shade which is called Vitamin C on my crease. Now on top of it, I'm using this light orangey shade which is also called Running Late, and म यो चाहिँ यो outer corner मा पनि लगाउँछु. अब outer corner अझै dark अनि अझै precise बनाउनको लागि I'm using this dark orange shade which is also called Sweet and Sour. अनि म चाहिँ यो lids मा पनि लगाउँछु. After that म मेरो आउटर कर्नरमा यो चकलेटी शेड which is called cheese cake यो लगाउँछु. अब चाहिँ म सानो फ्ल्याट ब्रश लिएर त्यसमा कन्सिलर लिएर हाफ कट क्रिज बनाउँदै छु. अब कन्सिलर माथि चाहिँ म औलाले नै यो ग्लिटरी शेड which is called everyday यो लिएर लगाउँदै छु. एन्ड आई फिल लाइक ब्रशले भन्दा चाहिँ यो औलाले नै अझ राम्ररी लाग्छ. So after that I'm using this Kaquiya gel eyeliner in black. To finish up the eye look, I'll just quickly add my falsies अनि त्यसपछि म मेरो lip line गर्छु. I'm using this Swissbeauty lip liner. त्यसपछि I'm using this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna in the shade Uncuffed on my lips. Then I'm adding bronzer, blush and highlighter. I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline City Bronzer, Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Rose Gold and Maybelline Dream Matte Blush.
So that's the end of the video. If you guys liked my makeup or if you guys liked my video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me any comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.